How to change your password on your Google account. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can change your password on your Google account. So let's dive in. First, open your Chrome browser or any browser that you're using and search for google.com. And now you have to click this icon of your profile on the top right corner and then click manage your Google account. And now it's going to bring you to this option over here or this page, and now you have to slide this tab to the left side and choose security, and it's going to bring you to this page. And now scroll down and choose this password option, and now you simply have to enter your password and click next, and you'll be able to access the page where you can change your password. And now it's going to bring you to this page where you can just access to change your password, and once you're done, click change password. And that's how you do it. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.